How to fix microphone not working on WhatsApp. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, simply open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you're inside settings, scroll below and then you'll find privacy and security. Simply tap onto it. Now inside privacy and security, you'll find microphone. Simply tap onto it. And inside microphone, you want to make sure that WhatsApp is toggled on. Once you do so, head back to your home screen and then open App Store. Once you open your App Store, in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you simply want to go ahead and tap on update and let your WhatsApp application update to its latest version. Once updating the WhatsApp is done, head back to your home screen and open WhatsApp to see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, you simply want to go ahead and restart your mobile device. To restart it, simply tap on the power off button and the volume up button at the same time. Soon after you do so, you'll find this interface. Now you'll have to go ahead and slide the slide to power off button, and just like so, you'll then be able to restart your device. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.